In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Google Flow Video. First, open your browser and head to labs.google/fx. This is Google's creative playground, and Flow is the workspace we'll use to generate a video with audio baked in. Give the page a second to load, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your project can be saved. Next, click on Launch Flow. This takes you straight into the Flow interface where you can manage projects and start new creations. You'll see a dashboard-style view with your recent items. From here, either open an existing project or create a new one. If you already have a workspace set up, selecting it keeps all your assets and settings in one place. If you're starting fresh, creating a new project gives you a clean canvas and helps keep your video, prompt, and outputs organized. Inside the project, look for the field that asks, "What do you want to create?" This is where you guide Flow. Think of it as your creative brief. Clear direction here leads to better results. Type in your prompt. Be specific about the visual and the audio you want. You can describe the scene, pacing, tone, and importantly, the soundtrack vibe. For example, mention the genre, mood, or instruments you'd like, such as cinematic orchestral score with a gradual build, or upbeat electronic track with a steady rhythm. The more precisely you describe the feel, the more accurately Flow can match your intent. Keep it concise but descriptive and avoid conflicting instructions. Now choose video as your content type. This tells Flow to output a moving picture rather than an image or text result. You should see options related to video models appear once this is selected. Select Veo. Veo is the video model here, and it supports audio with your video output. Make sure you're using the audio-enabled option so your final render includes sound. If there's a toggle or setting for audio, ensure it's turned on. If you don't see audio controls, confirm you're in Veo and not a different tool. Before you generate, quickly review your prompt for any last tweaks to music style, tempo, or intensity so the soundtrack complements the visuals you've described. That's it. You've gone from opening Google's FX Labs to launching Flow, setting up your project, crafting a clear prompt, choosing video, and selecting Veo with audio enabled. Follow these steps and you'll produce a video with integrated sound that matches your creative direction.